Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe below if you have not already, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. So today I am in need of doing a hair mask. It's been a while. I don't do them as often as I should. I wish I did, but I just don't. And I figured since I have to do one, I'll just make a video of it. I'm going to use Kerastase, I hope I'm saying that right, Oleo Curl Intense hair mask. This stuff's not cheap, and I can't believe I even spent as much as I did on it, but I did have a coupon when I purchased it at Harmon Drugs. This is like $60, $62 to be exact. So I did have a coupon, so it came to like 50 something, but it's not cheap. And I have used it, I don't, oops, it's like really bright yellow. There's a lot of different types from Kerastase that depends on your hair. The benefits of what it gives you. This has like coconut oil, so it's more for like unruly frizzy hair, which is I guess what I have. On the website it looks a little different. This on here it says Oleo Curl Intense, but for some reason I guess maybe this is an older one. On the new one it's called Discipline, and I think that's the same one though, because it's the orange tub. I'm almost positive. Hey guys, okay, so looking into this further, I did see that the Curl Ideal hair mask, which is what I have, it's discontinued. As you can see, it says this product has been discontinued, and I think there is the same Discipline. It's just called Mask Olay Relax, and it's pretty much the same one. Yeah, so I was very confused, but I looked into it and that's the deal. In any event, this is supposed to be good to moisturize dry hair and make it soft and shiny. So let's just get into this. I used to apply it to dry hair, to be honest with you, but they say to apply mask to damp hair, and I try to leave this on as long as I can because I really want to get as much water out of my hair. But I didn't do dry because I really did want to shampoo it out. So my hair is shampooed. I used Olaplex. I used the Olaplex because that's just what I had in the shower. So I shampooed my hair, but I did not condition it. So there's nothing in my hair. And it actually doesn't feel as bad as I thought it would with no conditioner, because I need conditioner, but it doesn't feel that bad. It's all clean. So there we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I used to even like sometimes put this in before I went to bed, but honestly, after a certain amount of time, which is like 15 to 20 minutes, it's kind of unnecessary. It's not going to do that much more, but I did it for convenience, and I figured, in my mind, it was like, what is that? Oh, my earring just fell off. In my mind, it was like, the longer I leave it on, the more conditioned my hair will be, but it's really apparently not that true, so I'm just like splitting into sections just to kind of, since I have time, I might as well. Okay, so going in with this, and I'm gonna concentrate first on my ends. I'm gonna make sure it really gets, because that's where the hair is the driest. And normally some people don't even put the mask in the roots and stuff. I am gonna go a little bit because my hair is just naturally coarse, so I do want it there too, but not as much. Like after I put all this in, whatever was left on my hand, I'm kind of going back up in there with. So I'm not going crazy on the edges, but I do want to get like if you have hair that's not like mine, you just kind of want to probably stick to the ends, but my whole head is coarse and dry, so I am going to concentrate on my ends, but at the same time, I'm going to do a little bit up here too. Just a little. Okay, let's do this side. So I'm putting most of it in the ends, making sure I want to bring a comb. And I am gonna go now, there's not a lot on my hands, but I am gonna go further. And again, you don't have to do that if it all depends on your hair texture. My hair sucked all that up. Like, I don't even feel like I have a lot in my hair. And you know, I always like to go heavy on products, but do I put a little more in? Maybe I'll just put like literally just a touch in the ends and go like that. So, I can't find my big tooth comb. I mean, I do have two girls that just go through my stuff all the time, but I'm gonna use my Demnon brush instead and just kind of give it a comb through. Again, a brush through because I can't find my comb, but it's okay. Just to make sure, oh, these things come apart. Just to make sure it's spread nice. So weird, I never brush my hair. I feel like it's exciting. Okay. It doesn't even look like I have curly hair. Oh, maybe I'll just blow it out this week. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair back. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do, you're all gonna think I'm kooky and weird. Maybe I am, but this is what I used to do years ago all the time. My husband even, I wish I could find that photo because he has a photo of me that was holding one of my kids, whatever. And this is what I do when I used to do hair masks. You ready? I would take tin foil and wrap it. Hold on, it's gonna be noisy, hold on a second. I know this is weird, and I look like an alien, but the reason I used to do this is because now what I'm going to do is put my blow dryer on my hair, and I want to keep the heat in my hair because the heat's going to open up the cuticles, letting in that mask to work and do its magic. So I actually do have, I bought one of these to do a video not years ago, but a while ago. I have one of those things that you could put a cap and then connect your blow dryer to, but I don't think a lot of people have that, so I'm just, instead of pulling that out, I'm just going to do this, because this is how I used to do it. It's like my head's in an oven. Okay, let me get my blow dryer. I am gonna put the settings on hot, not warm, hot, and also high. And I'm also gonna do this for like 10 minutes, and then I'll let it sit for another 10. Okay, I had the blow dryer on it for a while, and now I'm just gonna let it sit a little. Like, you can touch this and it's still hot, which is what I like, because the tinfoil really does keep the heat in your hair. And then when I am done with that, I'm gonna obviously take this off, and I'm gonna rinse my hair. I'm gonna rinse my hair under cool water. I'm gonna shampoo it just a little bit to get, so it's doesn't have a lot of product. Like the mask might weigh it down too much, so I am going to shampoo it out. Probably use my Olaplex again, but I'm going to use a little bit this time. And then I'm going to condition my hair as usual, and I'm going to style it, and then we'll see how my hair came out. Okay, my hair is finally styled and dried, and it feels so good. It feels soft. There's no dry ends. It looks healthy. Yeah, so I'm glad I did it, and now I remember why I hardly do it, because the whole process does take a long time. The whole 2 washings in a day, I normally don't have time for that, so that's probably why now I remember doing it. Like before I went to bed, I put some in. And that worked for me. I know they say don't do it overnight, but it worked for me. That's kind of like what I've been doing in the past couple of years. I'll just put some before bed and put it in a bun, and that's it. But that is what I usually do. I could do it like in the shower. I could wash my hair and then apply it to wet hair. You really should apply it to damp hair, especially my hair because I don't want the product to fight with the water, you know, but it came out really good. I'm sure there's other masks that are much cheaper that work just as well. I think if I can recall correctly why I even bought this is because I think I had felt like my hair was really damaged and I needed something. So I thought the best of the best. So I picked this one. I don't remember when it was. It was like not even a year ago. Yeah, so especially when you do the bleaching, the highlighting, that can damage your hair a lot. And I still have highlights in my hair, but it's not crazy. I was thinking of waiting more towards the summer. A lot of you want me to do a video how I do my highlighting. And I know, I don't know. It's just the way I do it is just not, I know it's not right, but it works for me. I do this with the glove on and some product in my hand. I literally just kind of go over some pieces in the bottom here and there. It works. It works for me. So I'll do it though when the time comes. But I'm not going to bother putting highlights in to sit around the house. So, and I like to do that more towards the summertime to brighten everything up when the spring summertime comes. So this way it lasts that whole time. So that's when I'll do it. But for now, yes, do more hair masks. And I really need to listen to myself on that. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you have not again. And yeah, until next time, have a good day. Bye, guys.